Vlogmas!
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Today is day 11. I am currently heading to Brooklyn. It's been a really long time since I've been there, but I am going for a special project that I'm working on. I don't know how much I could say without fully giving it away, but let's just say it is one of my favorite stores ever. So let's head to Brooklyn. We are here. I made it to my happy place, aka IKEA. I kind of want to get these lamps. Oh, I didn't know they were made out of paper. My only concern would be lighting it or where I would hang it, to be honest. They're on sale right now too. These right here were the wrapping paper I wanted to get, and it's also on sale for just $3. So how come this one says $1 and this one says $3? How cute and cozy is this? Oh my god. This rug is only $130. I love the wallpaper in this too. I feel like I've never been to an IKEA this empty, and I'm here for it. Honestly, I would love to hang these somewhere, but how? How can I make that work in my apartment? Alright, I'm officially done and my bags are so heavy. I took public transportation and now I don't know if I'm going to be able to walk around with these bags, so I'm going to try to take an Uber. Alright, so today is a different day, clearly. I didn't finish vlogging yesterday just because I was so tired after IKEA. Going to IKEA is kind of like an entire day of an activity, so it really took the life out of me. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to be doing with them. I'm actually working with them for a couple of content that I'm so excited about. You guys already know IKEA has been a brand that I love and that I shop so often, so this is truly a dream come true for me. And yeah, I'm just super excited. That being said, today is one of my best friend's birthday, Jo NC. She's turning 26, older than me. We are always joking. You guys have seen her in a previous Vlogmas that we share the month and we split the month, so this is her half. My half of the month starts on Monday, but today we're going to be celebrating her. We're actually going to a karaoke bar on Saturday, which hopefully I vlog as well. Today's a really cold day, so we're not going downtown or anything. We're just going to stay home and just hang out, maybe have a wine or something. Oh god, this is so heavy. I feel like I should have showed you her gift as I was wrapping it, but I forgot clearly, so I'm going to show you when she's opening them. There are 3 different boxes, and I normally always put like a little note of what the box entails. So for example, this one, I don't even know if you could see. This one says to reminisce on the younger days. Honestly, the winter is not playing any games this year, so neither am I. And thankfully, also my apartment is a mess, but thankfully I've been getting Uber codes, so Uber it is. Look how big Joanne's Christmas tree is.
Yeah, I think it's like 7 feet or 6.
What I love is how fluffy it is, dude. Room tour! Look how cute and sophisticated this room is with all the silver. I love. Ooh, the curtains look so nice in person. All right, so we went downstairs to get some Popeyes. I noticed that Joanne had a Popeyes near her, and I've been wanting to try the spicy sandwich because it has a rave and people are saying that it's better than the Chick-fil-A sandwich, which I'm a huge fan of. So I decided to go and get a sandwich because I was going to make an at-home sandwich, but Joanne doesn't have ketchup. And I don't know if you guys remember a couple years ago in one of my Vlogmas that Joanne doesn't own any ketchup, and that's one of my favorite.
I don't need ketchup, yeah. And I got
she's a weirdo, but
I got a bottle.
She's a girl without the ketchup, alright?
I got a bottle just for her. Y ella duró como un año sin visitarme, señor, y la botella de ketchup ahí que la compré.
So she bought one like a long time ago, and then now that I'm finally here, there's no ketchup. Let's have a mukbang. You know what I did when I went to Popeyes? I was like, extra ketchup, please, because if you guys don't give me ketchup, I'll suffer.
My God. It's mukbang. It sounds like that.
Wow.
Yeah, they have the best fries ever.
Oh my God.
Dígale cuánta mantequilla tiene el coso, el pan. Como.
I'm trying to hate. Ew, you want the pickles?
Wow, you don't like pickles? Are you like a f***ing alien?
Pro tip. Yeah, it's spicy. When getting a sandwich, put fries in it. First bite.
The origin of this film was a lifetime of abuse at the hands of those same things.
Venga a probarlo.
Todavía tiene su peso. Que tú le pusiste cashew, yo no lo comería.
Este idiota. Oh, de ese lado.
Yeah, this is kind of a far-fetched defense.
Yeah, it's good, but not to kill somebody over.
It's really good.
We'll just fight a bitch at Popeyes for that sandwich.
If I have to, if I'm hungry, for sure.
It's good, it really is good. You're
Someone's calling you. Oh, who's calling us?
I don't know.
So like I told you, I wanted to show you what how I wrapped Joanne's gift. So now she's going to explain to you.
Okay. And I'm opening it in the order that they are.
Yeah.
Oh! I already know what it is! I already know what it is! I love you, mommy! Yes! Good. Wait!
You needed to show.
I can't! I'm excited.
Wait.
I love you, mommy. I love you, mommy. Joe from the block. That's right, that's me.
It was supposed to say Joey, but I don't write your name with the J.
Para los que no saben, mi vida es Jennifer López. Mi amor, desde que yo tengo 6 años, es Jennifer López.
¿Y quién te llevó a verla?
Y Nathalie me llevó a ver a Jennifer López escocesa porque
We went to see the concert, and you guys, our luck.
No,
What your luck?
That was the concert when all the lights went out in
Madison
the
Square
city.
Garden. That New York City was like
yeah, that New York City had a power outage, and then Madison Square Garden lost their electricity.
Yeah.
And I was devastated, you know. No conozco a Nathalie ya porque
No conozco a nadie.
Estamos en otros rangos. Otros rangos estamos. Sé que muchos de ustedes quieren ser amigos de Nathalie, pero esos son. Hey.
She like restrains me from having new friends, so just letting you guys know.
Well, to reminisce to the younger days. Wait, open up! I was literally talking about
You told me that that's like your signature.
Oh my gosh! So this is like one of my favorite scents forever. And I started changing perfumes just cause.
One of my favorites too.
Yes, Tender Romance is one of my favorites right now.
It smells so good, and I feel like it smells differently on everyone.
Oh my god, it smells so clean. Like I'm not huge on flowery. I also am not like citrusy. Like it has to be something like fresh. I like more powdery scents. Is that how you explain it?
Yeah.
Like what do you have on now?
This one's Estee Lauder.
Yeah, that one smells good. It smells clean and like a little bit powdery. You see, like that's the scent I like. This is the only one that's kind of, how would you explain the scent?
It's more sweet. It's like sexy sweet.
Yeah.
That's like what I could say about
Every
it.
time I would get in a cab, they'd be like, what are you wearing? What are you wearing? And I'm like, I showered. But
This is my natural.
This is my
Did you show your flowers though? Did you show your flowers?
I did. Look, I never get flowers. So
I saw yellow flowers, like the same amount, and I was gonna bring you the yellow ones. But I know.
that's why you asked? That's why you're asking for the colors? Okay, yeah. She's like, so give me like a range of
So but I know you don't like yellow though.
Yeah.
Like I know you don't like yellow.
Some goodies, but most important, pa que no te me ponga bien. Ay, Dios mío, vaya que voy.
Movie night! Or actually, we're gonna watch a show.
Oh my god, my hair looks crazy.
Hello, still the same vlog. This has been quite the week, like very all over the place and kind of busy, but also hectic at the same time. I don't know how to explain it. I just haven't really been as organized as I wished this week. So yeah, today I've been working the entire day on the project with IKEA that I mentioned earlier at the beginning of the video when I went to IKEA. So I set the table up. You guys can go and check my Instagram whenever it's up. And now I'm working on my little wrapping session for another part of the campaign, which I'm really, really excited about. My apartment looks so clean from this side. I mean, obviously aside from the little mess, but like it looks super clean from this side. And then you turn around and this is what it's looking like. I'm also meeting with my friend Stephanie later tonight downtown. So I really have to get my life together. All right, so update. I ended up doing my makeup and getting ready. I'm on my way to the city right now in an Uber and traffic is crazy. I'm meeting up with Steph in a little bit. I'm starving, low-key hungry.
Vlogmas!
The fact that Eric is taller than me, I could just easily crop you out in every single video.
Don't do me like that.
This is one of my favorite spots in the city. Right?
Y ahora estoy aquí, queriendo convertir los campos en ciudad. Estoy aquí, queriéndote activists. Now we murderers because we still shine. I knock her lights out and she still shine. I hate to see her go, but I love to watch her leave. And I'll be right now is the end of you and me. It's too late and I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her. Why I wonder why I want all the lies you say that you would treat me right, but you were just a waste of time.
Who hurt you though?
And what you gon' do?